Brother Solo.
See my guy.
See Solomon.
Afana.
Where you dey go?
I want reach front to. I want see person for phone before.
I just dey come for car wash, so okay, quiet now. I'll drop you. Solomon.
Okay now.
Yeah!
Baba, no worry.
Solo, what did happen?
The car too clean. I don't want dirty your car.
Should be car too clean. Not be human being go see enter.
Yeah.
Okay. I just dey come for car wash, but not me now.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
I want us. Move the go.
Hey, Brasolo, I beg you, if you bro me 10K, I beg. No, this weekend I go pay you.
You not there, Baba. You not there.
But they can't. No.
It concern you. I say you not there.
But not be so. But no shaking, Sha. No wala.
In Brasolo, please, I need a favor from you. Please, can you borrow me 20,000 naira?
20,000 naira.
Yes.
Okay, let's manage this one.
Wow.
Don't even bother to pay back.
This is more than what I asked for.
We thank the Lord.
Oh, baby. I've gotten the money that you need.
Yeah!
You know I can do anything for you. So I love you.
It is what it is. It is what it is. Think about your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.